Okay, so hello Janet. You've just had your implant treatment done. Just want to know if you had any concerns or fears before you started your treatment today.
Not really, no, I didn't have any concerns about it.
Okay, excellent. And now that you've had your implant treatment, have you felt a lot more confident with your smile?
Yes, a lot more confident, yes, very pleased I had it done, yeah.
Excellent. And what has your new smile allowed you to do?
Well, it's given me more confidence with people and things like that. And it's nice to be able to smile and, know that you've got nice teeth in front.
Yeah. That's excellent. And how did you find your whole experience with Confidental?
Very, very good. They're very good. All very helpful, and the treatment didn't hurt or anything, and they're very concerned all the time. And
that's
yes, very
brilliant.
good.
So you would be now at 93% of patients that agree that we are pain-free, so that's great. Do you know anyone else that would benefit from implants?
I don't at the moment, no. But
would you recommend us to any of your friends?
Yes, I
or
would.
family?
Yes.
That's excellent. And how was your time here? Were you seen on time, and did you get the appointments you wanted?
Yes. You don't have to wait, and everything was done, on time and efficiently, and very nice, very friendly, and yeah, it was very good.
That's excellent. You'll be in the 93% percentage of patients that agree with that as well. We just want to say thank you for being one of our lovely patients, and we're really impressed with the treatment you've had done.
Thank you.
Okay.